I'm Kevin Kelly. I'm a ST4 anaesthetic registrar.
My name is Dr. Dilesh Thakur. I'm a consultant anaesthetist and lead anaesthetist for the anaesthetics department at YGC.
My name is Claudia. I am a specialty doctor in anaesthetic.
My name's Emma. I'm an anaesthetist and I'm the medical director at Glan Clwyd Hospital.
It's an excellent anaesthetic department. You have fantastic training. At my stage, I'm kind of working towards my final professional exams, and they've been fantastic and supported me and kind of give me appropriate training for that.
The best thing I find about working in Glan Clwyd, we've got a really friendly department, friendly staff, and quite a cohesive department. We try and get along and get things done in the right way.
Glan Clwyd Hospital is a very nice environment to work in, and I've got very nice colleagues, and I feel I get all the support I need working here.
We're a proper community, we're all on first name terms, the consultants really help each other out, and I feel that with the new buildings that we've got, the future is very bright here. I
moved to North Wales about 5 years ago. I have a young family, and it's a fantastic area with lots of things to do. It's a beautiful part of the world, and yet, you know, I can get to different areas I can train in. So I've been training in Mersey as part of my rotation. But the best thing is just getting back home and kind of you've got a beautiful view to look at.
Living in the local area, I actually live a little bit further away from the local area, but I have a great drive into work. It's reliable, great views, and lots of activities around the area for me and my family.
Living in Desert, which is 5 minutes from hospital, it's very nice. It's a very nice scenery. You can see the mountains, you can see the sea. I've just seen today the snow done covered in snow, so it's a very nice area and very nice people living here.
I think you have the best of both worlds living in North Wales. We've got beautiful scenery, mountains, the sea, fantastic cycling paths and things like that, but we've also got really easy access to some beautiful small towns like Chester, but also the throbbing metropolis of Liverpool.